Rain and groundwater infiltrate pores and crack concrete. Creating a seamless, lasting building envelope is the only way to make sure that foundations and basements are unaffected by erosion, leaks, and floods. IWS Waterproof is a hybrid compound proven to keep out water. It's asphalt, so it won't swell, puncture, or peel. It's also elastic rubber, stretchable 10 times over, with 90% recovery rate. It easily paints on with brush or roller and becomes a part of the structure, embedding substrate and moving with materials that expand and contract over time, waterproofing even in continuous submersion. It's even environmentally friendly and emits 0 VOCs, requiring no special ventilation. No more repeat jobs, fancy equipment, or expensive skilled labor. Witness as your project becomes a fully waterproof envelope for years. For more information, visit waterproofingredefined.com now.